If you own a business in 2026, you need a good website more than ever. And that's because of AI. And I'm going to explain it how. Usually, we have four ways of getting clients or leads to make money. That's why, because your business exists. So, one of them is the word of mouth. The other one is the marketing materials like the banners, brochures, or other marketing materials. The third one is the search. Are you visible in AI search models or in the Google, that if someone searches that you are the recommended one? And the fourth one is the content. We're going to put aside the word of mouth and also the marketing materials, and we're going to focus on the content and the website and why it's really important in the 2026 and why you really need a good website in 2026 because of AI. Well, for the AI to be able to see your website, you need to have a rich and AI friendly website that is optimized with the AI system. That if someone goes to the ChatGPT, let's say if you have a plumbing business and it says the plumbers nears me or just the natural language, then AI should be able to go through the website which is doing plumbing in the local area or in your area. And in that case, if you have a really good website, then it will more likely recommend your website or your business to the customer. And it's the same thing with the Google search because Google is also using the AI. Now, why the content is important here? Why you have to create content, and especially with the rise of AI, there are a lot of AI content creation. But why you really need a good content? I mean, the organic content and like a human made. Because content can be plugged into your website to make your website richer, and that's the main source that makes your website rich, and it makes it easier for the AI to understand what do you actually do in your business. That's why I think these two things in 2026 is very important if you are a business to focus on to get more leads and more clients.